Hi, today we're going to show you how to link two beds together, and for this scenario we're going to make a symmetrical L shape, and you can do this by using a long bed and a short bed. So the two long sides of this L shape will be 7 foot. So you can notice that I've already taken the bolts out of the ends of the bed where they're going to be connected, and you can also notice that the ground is very unlevel right here. You can do this on uneven ground. It takes a little more work of getting all your holes lined up, but when you get the first hole lined up, the rest are going to come together pretty easy. It's also worth noting that this video is showing the symmetrical L shape, but you may decide to link beds end to end. Let's say that you were wanting a bed that was 28 foot long. You could put 4 7-foot beds together and make a straight bed 28 foot long. So you can link these beds in any direction all around each other. Another shape that you can make, if in this scenario, if we were to put another long bed right where I just walked by, you can make a U-shaped bed. And also remember, after you link beds together, you can top the beds with wood by using the wood kit. So here I'm putting all the bolts and nuts in. Again, it's just going to be hand tight, and we'll tighten up at the very end. Now we're going to put the shims and bolts in place on this side of the small bed. You'll notice that the shim is placed between the corner bracket of the small bed and the side panel of the large bed, and the bolt is placed through. You can place the bolt through either direction. And the top shim is fairly easy to get in place. The bottom shim you got to kind of work for a little bit. So you may decide to put the bottom shim in first and that bolt through. Again, we're just hand tightening these, and after we get these two bolts in, then we'll go through and tighten all the bolts up, and we'll be done. Now we're going to go through and tighten all the bolts. As we tighten the bolts, we're going to line our side panels up at the corner pieces. In this situation, we have 2 corner pieces and 2 side panels on each end that we have to line up. Just take your time with this, and after you get everything lined up, tighten the bolts up. Also, I'm going to demonstrate how rigid this becomes once the bolts are tightened. It becomes like one unit. And remember, after you set this in place, you're going to follow the same instructions to level the bed. And don't forget to put all your soil blockers in place that come with the beds.